Hi all, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the US dollar versus the Japanese yen and the US dollar versus the euro. So USD JPY and EUR USD. The US dollar within this G3 complex, the G3 being dollar, euro, and yen. Within that G3 comments, the dollar complex, the dollar certainly showing a more firmer tone in here. At the end of last week, with dollar yen here driven higher on Friday, primarily by statements from Japan, from the BOJ, and then the euro versus the dollar driven lower on Thursday, primarily by a slightly more dovish ECB. We'll take a look at the euro shortly. For dollar yen here, the market launched off this 109.22 level, creating and reinforcing a double bottom structure here for April. That leaves, on an intermediate term basis, leaves a shift to a broader range theme. They're neutralizing bearish pressures that we saw from the beginning of the year, and then from late March, early April, with this surge higher, and we now see a range theme 113.80 up to down to 109.22, a range theme, but certainly with an upside bias going into this week. So a positive bias within a broader range for the US dollar versus the yen. For the euro, more still of the same thing really. A more negative tone coming through for the euro, a more positive dollar tone. Potential for this to be a topping structure. We still just about see an underlying up theme in here, but real risk for a push down to challenge 111.42 support. And should we get a break there, then it would shift the broader outlook for euro versus dollar back to more neutral. And if we take out 110.55, a more bearish theme will come through. So we're looking for a more positive US dollar tone, but key this week is going to be the FOMC meeting on Wednesday 27th April, and that could shift everything again in here for the dollar. But for now we're looking for a more positive dollar tone versus the euro, and also versus the yen for the start of this week. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.